This is Dodder, a hunter with an exceptional sense of smell. Moving swiftly, it searches for its prey. The dodder punctures the nettle stem and sucks out the nutritious sap. And it doesn't stop at just one victim. It's a parasite with an insatiable appetite. But remarkably, its victims can now exploit the dodder when other springtime enemies appear. Caterpillars. When under attack, a leaf sends out a signal telling the rest of the plant to start building defences. Foul-tasting toxins that deter the caterpillars. In an extraordinary twist, the stems of the dodder interconnecting the plants are now being used as lines of communication to relay these warning signals from plant to plant.